It's going to be Doug Todd, Chase Pennington, row 2, Spencer Hughes and Chad Thrash. And on the front row, outside lane, Jamie Bolin, the 232, and Bryce Shesby, your winner last night in the 13. And we are green flag racing. Down the backstretch they go. Jamie Bolin and the 13 of Bryce Shesby doing battle. Now Shesby gets a car length out in front of the 232. But don't look now. Chad Thrash in the mix. Spencer Hughes in the 10. It's Pennington up in the wall. No caution. Thrash and Hughes battling for the third spot now. Thrash will turn his attention to Bolin as he takes over the third spot. Dr. Dirt brings it in. Three laps complete. It's Shesby out front. He's got Bolin in tow. It's a battle for third. Dr. Dirt took over that spot from Chad Thrash in the 05. Johnny Stokes hanging on to that third spot. He's got pressure behind him. Chad Thrash in the 05. Here comes Shelby Sheedy as he makes his way around Spencer Hughes in the 10. It's Shesby out front, lap 5. Now 6 on the board. 9 more to go. Lap traffic ahead. Frank Hyde gonna have to stay up on the top shelf there as Bryce Shesby tiptoes around lap cars. Ooh. It's Shesby and Bolin out front. Bolin about a half a step behind, and then Dr. Dirt goes for a slide down into the infield. Caution on the speedway to the Street Stock Nationals on August 1st. And then the 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th will be the 14th Annual Southern Street Stock Nationals. Here's the green flag, Shelby Sheedy. To the outside of Bolin, they'll be chasing Shesby down the back stretch. Sheedy up to the second position, driver out of West Point, Mississippi. We'll try to complete the pass on the Cuba, Alabama driver. Jamie Bolin driving the house car, Track Star race car. So Bolin and Sheedy battling for the second spot. Three-way battle for second. Dr. Dirt in the 4th position. He's right behind the tailpipes of the 232, the 232, and the 4 racing off each other's door handles. 11 laps complete. Thrash here about up in the wall there. It's 3 to go. This time 12 complete. Bolin hangs on to the second position. Shelby and Stokes battling out at the door handles. 2 laps to go. Bullhorns in the air. Red flag on the speedway. Red flag. And we have a car on fire. 24 machine. We saw some fire come out of a couple laps ago, but I believe he may have a header on fire. Something underneath that race car. 15 laps the distance, or at least that's what's on my board. Here we go, green flag. And Dr. Dirt goes straight up the boards. We'll see if that helps him out going down the backstretch. He'll clear third. He'll clear Jamie Bolin, the 232. Can he get a run on Shesby? Shesby takes the white flag. Dr. Dirt continues to run up on the top of the racetrack. And here's the double checker flag. Old Glory waving down on Bryce Shesby. He'll go back to back here this weekend at the House of Hook. Stokes will come home second. Jamie Bolin third. Spencer Hughes fourth. And Shelby Sheedy with a top 5 finish. Here we go. And Bentley Thornton waves the green flag, and we are underway. Good job, buddy. 12-pack goes to the inside. The 27 all out of shape. The 007 right there behind. It is the 85 of Ronnie Johnson out front. 12-pack goes down to the bottom of the racetrack. Oh, a hard smack in the wall. I believe that was the 007 of Joey Burns. He's able to continue on. As a matter of fact, improved position. So, I think he popped a tire. Now he's up in the wall. And we're going to have to throw the caution flag. Bentley Thornton in the flag stand. He's going to wave the green on this Dixie double foul restart. Ronnie Johnson takes him down the backstretch. He's got the 27 of Ratcliffe in tow. Then it's 12-pack. Stephen Griffith in third. And Johnson continues to lead lap 4, 6 to go. 12-pack puts pressure on the 27. They got lap traffic in front of them. David Miner hanging in there in the 75. And Walker. Oh, no. Vinston gets in the back of the 12-pack. Caution on the speedway. All right, we're re-racked and stacked, ready to go again. Bentley Thornton going to give him the green flag here, and we're off. Ronnie Johnson continues to power through the field, down the backstretch, putting some car lengths between the 85 and the 12-pack. It's Parker Price. Oh, no. Stephen Griffith turned down on Parker, but Parker's able to continue on. I don't see any damages. That could be detrimental, but I did see a left rear blowout on the 12-pack machine. And there is tire carcass all over the racetrack. Caution on the speedway for the 12-pack. Bentley Thornton gives him the green flag once again. It's Ronnie Johnson. Powers down the backstretch. Ronnie Johnson has led all laps so far here tonight. And the 27 of Ratcliffe started in the rear after an incident on the racetrack, but has raced his way up to second. Here's the white flag. One more time around the circuit. Ronnie Johnson takes it down the backstretch in the pink number 85. And here's the checker flag. Ronnie Johnson picks up the win. Tim Ratcliffe brings it home second. Parker Price in third. David Miner in fourth. Row 2 outsides David Williamson in the 28 car. And in the 27 of Chris McEhaney will line up on the inside in the 27. Front row, Holden Allen in the 94 out of Deland, Florida. And on the pole position out of Ware, Mississippi, it's the little werewolf, Bailey Callahan. "20 laps the distance." And we got a caution on the speedway. So we'll get them re-racked and stacked, double file, complete restart here, and Godwin gives them the green flag. Williamson tries to thread the needle. He'll have to think twice. Holden Allen takes it to the top. A race to the flag stand. Bailey Callahan led that lap. And Callahan takes it down the backstretch. Callahan leads lap 4. Uh-oh, caution on the speedway. Looks like Charlie Kilgore, problems in the 14C. Banging on the loud pedal, we're green flag racing. Showers, sparks coming out from the 94. Holden Allen, they take it down the backstretch. We got a battle for the lead. Holden Allen putting pressure on the 20 machine. Nick Thrash back there, he's looking for an opportunity, and he may have one here. He'll take the second spot from Holden. Now battle for the lead. Thrash looks to slide up in front of the 20 car, but Bailey Callahan battles back. Callahan takes the cross flags. Williamson pulls the elevator move, goes straight up the racetrack near the wall. Down the backstretch they go as they battle. Holden Allen and David Williamson battling for the third position. 10 complete, 9 to go, 11 complete. We're still battling for the lead as Thrash had taken the point. Now Callahan throws a slide job, but the crossover is going to be in the favor of Thrash at the flag stand. 13 complete. Callahan and Thrash continue to do business. It's Thrash now with about 4 car leads at the flag stand, 5 to go. Now Thrash up in the wall, that's gonna open the door for Callahan. Callahan got the break that he needed. Down the back stretch they go. That 4 car leads turned into 1 car lead. Now Callahan's gonna work the bottom. At the flag stand, about a half a car lead behind. 2/10 off. Now down the back stretch they go, almost side by side. Thrash continues to hold the top lane. Callahan trying to dig. 3 to go. Thrash currently third in national points. 2 to go here. Popsicle sticks in the air. He's pulled some separation between him and the 20 of Callahan. Here's the white flag for Nick Thrash. Callahan a little out of shape there. Williamson going to make the pass on him. But I don't know if anybody can stop Nick Thrash. He is headed to victory lane, race fans. Nick Thrash through 3 out of 4 to the flag stand. Here he is, race fans. Another win on the season. That'll be 4 this year. I believe it's safe to say he may be a challenger for the Crate Racing USA national points after this win.